So we're continuing our discussion on the new Alpha 5 documentation viewer. So another very nice feature is the ability to add any particular topic to your list of favorites. So if there's a topic that you often keep coming back to, you can just simply right click on that topic and add it to your list of favorites. So for example, let's go to new JavaScript methods in version 11, right click on that and then add to favorites, and now at any point in time I can go back to my favorites list and there's my list of favorites. So there's new JavaScript methods in version 11. I can right click now if I want and then remove that from my favorites list, and now it's been removed from the favorite lists. So the next feature that I'd like to point out is the ability to annotate any topic with your own notes. So you can see here we have a notes button. So let's go here and let's say I'd like to add some of my own notes to this topic about storing files in session. So I'll just go here and say add notes, and then I'll go here and say this these are my private notes on this topic, and then line 2 and line 3. Now I can write my notes either in plain text or HTML if I'd like to use a rich formatting for the notes, but I'll just stick to plain text right now and then click OK. And now my notes were saved, and you can see now there's a little icon here at the top, and if I click that, at the bottom of the screen there are my notes for this particular topic that I've added. So when I go off the topic and then come back to the topic, I can easily see that there were notes that were defined for that topic. Now the actual location of the notes are defined by going to this preference button over here and then clicking on the click to define, and you can specify that the notes are stored in either a SQL table or a DBF table, and you specify the connection string to the SQL table. So if the connection string points to a shared server, then all of the users in your team will be sharing the same notes database. So what I've shown here in these series of videos is, I think, a great new way of interacting with the Alpha 5 documentation, and I hope you enjoy using it. Thank you very much.